Hey, sweetheart, I am so excited that you are hopping on to the Bitmoji train. I think it's going to make it really streamlined for the kids, and it's a lot of fun. So what I did is just put a lot of effort up front into kind of making mine look good, and then what I'm going to do is just, instead of recreating the wheel, it's going to be the same one. I'll just update it week by week. But let me show you how to essentially create buttons or use objects to connect to other things. So here we have just a circle that I created in Google Drawings and wrote the word kindergarten in practice. And so all it is a circle. And then what you can do, let me, because I've been practicing it. So you click that circle and you say, hey, I want to link it to something. So you can link to anything. All you need is that URL address. And so like let's say you're sharing your parent letter and you say copy link. Well, then you would paste that link right here. But if you want to connect a slide that's already in your presentation, you just click slides in presentation, and then you go down to, and I love how you named your slides, that makes it really easy. And then you go slide 3, I want it connected, so when they click on the Kinder button, it will apply. And then what's cool is you can see that when they present, all they have to do is to click kindergarten, and then it goes straight to the slide where you want them to go. And there's actually a way to make it to where parents, you can put it into present mode from the get-go, to where all they do is see your home screen kind of, and then they click into their appropriate grade level. In addition to showing you that, I can show you whatever else, but I wanted to share a file with you that had a ton of backgrounds of that other teachers have done, kind of this whole collection, to see if there's anything you might find that you like. Okay, that's it.